instant bento noodles to bring with you to work or wherever it is that you're going off to for the day. You are going to be blown away by this. Okay, you get a jar or else you can get an airtight container. I've got brown rice, which I'm breaking in half like that, and I'm popping into the jar. And then I've got lovely spinach, or you could use any greens that you want to. You've got to hold on and wait to see what happens here, because this is so cool. It's like the best lunch on the run. Okay, so my spinach is in here and my noodles in here, and then I'm going to put in some carrot, which I'm going to chop up into little matchsticks. Okay, so we're going to do a half a carrot because this is just for one. This is like such a fantastic healthy lunch to have on the go. Okay, so we want nice thin little matchsticks like that. Okay, in go the carrots into the jar. Next I've got spring onions, but this is a fantastic way to clear out the fridge. You can pop in mushrooms in here, you could pop in peppers, any kind of greens that you have. Okay, that is my spring onions, in they go. I've got some purple sprouting broccoli, and what I'm going to do is just cut them lengthways like that and like that. I'm just going to tuck those in as well, but you could use just regular broccoli too. So in they go, and then a little bit of ginger, about that much, which I'm going to peel. I never throw away my ginger peel. I pop it into a little teapot for a little ginger infusion tea. I love the taste of ginger, so I do my ginger into little matchsticks, just like the carrot. But if you don't like that kind of big punch of ginger, you could chop it up really, really finely. In goes the ginger into the jar. Okay, next we have some flavor bombs. We've got miso paste. I have the white miso paste. Oh my God, I love the flavor of this. So a nice big spoon of that. I've got some dried chili flakes, a store cupboard must have for a little bit of fire. And then I've got some sesame oil. In goes the sesame oil. And that's it. So the idea is that off you go on your merry way with your jar to wherever you're going to, whether you're going to work or whether you're going for a picnic or whether you just want to prep something ahead for a quick lunch at home. Then when you are ready to have it, you pop on the kettle, and when it's boiled, you take off the lid, whatever container you decide to use, and then you pour your hot water in. And then you just tuck all of your vegetables into the hot water. Give it a nice big stir. Pop the lid back on, and then every minute give it a shake and leave it for 5 minutes. The beautiful vegetables and noodles. It's nearly ready. Isn't this so cool? Honestly. This is like the best type of fast food that I can imagine. Okay, let's check to see if it's cooked. Yeah, look at that. Noodles are cooked. Veggies are cooked. This is so cool. I love it. So obviously, you know, if you brought it in your Tupperware container, you could eat it directly from that if you want to. Or you could bring in a bowl or do it in your jar, eat it from like a jar if you want to. But this is how it all looks like if you wanted to plate it up for yourself. And it literally fits into this bowl perfectly. Thank God for that. But look how good this is. I mean, how amazing. Oh, the smells are amazing. That gorgeous miso, the chili, the ginger. It's all so gorgeous, and the noodles are perfectly cooked. I get the brown rice noodles because they're healthier, but I just want to taste the broth. Oh my God, that tastes so healing. And that lovely spicy umami? I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Umami flavor. It's so good. I think it's like what we all want. We all love these dishes, don't we? And the fact that you can make it at home and just bring it into work, and it takes 5 minutes to prep, 5 minutes to cook away on its own with all you need is a kettle. And also, it's so much cheaper than constantly buying lunches for work, isn't it? And so good for you. You could bring in 2 and treat one of your friends at work to lunch, right? And that'd be fun. It's quite a sweet thing to do. Hope you enjoy it. Lots of love. Bye.